What's up guys, it is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and welcome back to a new video. So today's video guys, I'm testing out some new motors, some new props, and a new battery. So this is my existing build. This is the iFlight XL5 frame. So I kind of almost rebuilt it with some new props and some new motors. So these are the HeadsUp Motors. These are the 2207 19,000 kV, or 19,000, let me get the exact for you, 19,060, sorry, kV motors. And these are the HeadsUp HQ props. These are the R32s. So these are designed by Evan Turner himself, Mr. HeadsUp, and also his props as well. So the reason I switched this is for the upcoming Freedom Spec race. So the Freedom Spec race is a spec race, obviously. You must use the HeadsUp motors, the HeadsUp props, and you can only use a 3S battery. And you have to have an all-in weight of 460 grams, I believe. With everything, I weighed this, it's like 523, so I've got more than enough weight on this. And so you can use any airframe that you want, you can use any flight controller you want, any ESCs that you want, any camera, whatever. Just has to use the props, motors, battery, and the all-in-one weight. That's the only basic requirements. So yeah, that's why I kind of converted it over into this racer. So first thing I'm going to try out is a 4S battery. So I'm running the CNHL, the China Hobby line 4S. These are the 1500 mini stars. So I'm going to try those. These are my usual batteries I run on everything. And then after that, I'm going to switch over to this one. This is the CNHL. This is a 1300 3S. So I bought a few of these to test them out. We'll see how they do. So wish me luck guys, got the GoPro, we'll see how it does.
Same in the shadows.
Alright guys, so there it is, the first couple packs. Now, I didn't record the 4S because I only wanted to record the 3S pack. But it's pretty nice. This setup is actually really nice. It's not too bad. It's nice and smooth. I'm really surprised. The grass is kind of a little bit long, so did a little bit of lawn mowing there, but that's okay. But hey, it actually flies really good with this, with these props and these motors. So yeah, Evan Turner, Mr. Heads Up. Yeah, I'm gonna give you props on this one because this is a smooth. I raced there, and that was just conservative. I got almost 4 minutes of flight time on a small 3S battery. So yeah, we'll just have to wait and see how it does on the race this coming up weekend. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for tuning in. As always, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you guys later.